Home sales continue to lag on the Eastern Shore. There were 344 closed sales in August 2025, which was 5% lower than August 2024. It's Friday, September 12th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner reporting from the Eastern Shore office of Kinetic Realty. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. While overall sales in the region were down, Dorchester, Kent, and Talbot counties had more sales in August than last year. However, in all counties in the region, year-to-date closed sales are lagging last year's levels. The overall sales price is up 4% over last year to $389,900. There are 2,198 units for sale at a median $415,000 list price on the market for 79 days. 142 more homes are poised to come to the market. Fewer homes went under contract this report, at 214 going under contract in 33 days at a median list price of $364,500. 134 homes settled at 95.5% list to sold ratio, with days before contract rising to 33 days at a median $375,995. Homes for lease rose to 135 units at a median $2,200 per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, September 12th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.